For IN1 Plasma Facial Machine with 6 heads for targeted, complete skincare treatments. Head 1 lifts and sculpts the jawline, focusing on facial contours. It effectively reduces double chin, defining a smoother, tighter look. Head 2 can tighten and revitalize for a brighter, even complexion. Head 3 focuses on smoothing textures and reducing fine lines on face and neck. Head 4 targets remove blemishes like scars, moles, pigmentation, and spots. Head 5 increases product penetration and promotes skin absorption. Head 6 uses plasma technology to reduce crow's feet around the eyes. 6 specialized heads, 1 powerful machine, lifting, rejuvenating, and transforming your skin effortlessly.